Prefabricated Vertical Drains PVDs are engineered drainage strips used to accelerate soil consolidation in soft, saturated ground. Each drain consists of a corrugated plastic core encased at a geotextile filter that allows water to pass while blocking soil particles. The typical width is 100毫米 with a thickness of 3 to 5毫米. Prefabricated vertical drains are installed vertically into the soil to create drainage pathways for pore water to escape, reducing settlement time and increasing ground stability. This method is widely used in large-scale projects such as embankments, land reclamation, and airport construction, where improving weak soils is critical. PVDs installation. PVDs are typically installed using a mandrel, a steel casing, pushed or vibrated into the ground, with the drain then inserted through the mandrel. PVDs applications. PVDs are widely used in various construction projects, including improvement of dredge clay fill, road, railway, and airport construction, development of building and industrial complexes, construction of seaports, embankments and bank revetments, gas and oil storage facilities. If you need anything, please feel free to contact Sunzo.